up, guys? We're gonna go to the junk today and try to find some plugs and some wires. And I was talking to my brother. I was saying maybe I can get like a whole wiring loom and maybe just get that and do all my wiring, because I want it to match. But really what I'm looking for today are the OBD2 plug, the port, and the ECU wires. It's plug D and E, and I'm gonna get myself some pigtails of those, some fuses, some relays, and some an OBD2 port. And hopefully the OBD2 ports can what do you call, can, you know, have like a pigtail where I can like use it for my swap. So we're heading down to the Chula Vista junk pick apart, and it's raining today and it sucks, but let's go. Alright, so 9:40, super wet. Just found a, well, this is a Lexus here. Let's see what this is. ES300. What year is it? Not sure. I'm not even sure where these came up on the blade. Not even sure where the ECUs are located actually. Map sensor, AFM sensor. So we'll keep looking. I'll let you know if I find anything. Alright, so found this GS300. I think it's probably 01 because it has this valve cover support. And so here are the clips. This is automatic, so it has this clip. I need these two, but I'm gonna take them all. Alright, so another GS300, this one with black interior. Really nice, uncracked dash. Chula Vista Junkyard, y'all wanna come get it? I don't know if these even crack, but picking up this OBD2 port, really nice. It even has the OBD2 cover. Look at that. So, gonna pick that one up. Here it is. Comes with this weird little light for like, but they usually only have like 5 wires. Right there. I'm gonna take this whole harness and this cover. Look at that. OBD2. OBD2. Dang, this car stinks. Has a bunch of lotion in it. Nasty. Smells like a girl. So I came up on this 88 FX, not FS16. A lot of good parts. These door handles are black right here. Black liner, look at that. You can't use it on the 86, but black dome line, look at that. I'm gonna take that for sure. Nice little, look at that. Rear view mirror. Dang, this thing is clean. It's not even delaminated. Look at that. It's not, no delamination in there. Nice visors, but they're out at different angles, so I think it might be a lost cause. What else can we take? Not sure. I could take all the pop panels, panel pieces. I'm gonna check this stereo, see what kind of plug it is in the back. I see a fuel filter on the ground, brand new. Anybody need a fuel filter? Oh, I like that. Look at that. Damn, I wish Corollas did this. Our Corollas did this. See if these wires work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it works. Everything works. Damn, look at that. Let it feel. Very nice. Just thinking about getting these trim pieces and trying to make it work for my Corolla, because you really can't find them anywhere. I might get them. Use them for the front. I'm gonna use them for the front. But we'll see. Oh, look at this, son. Look at that. I think I just came up, dude. Alright, so I got everything I needed, minus these. Probably not gonna get them. Gotta think about what I'm gonna do with the front first, and then I'll come back. Yeah, hopefully it'll still be here. But these door handles look like exactly the same. They feel good. Let's take it out. I want to take it out and see if the part number's kind of the same. Check the part number, and it only applies to Toyota FX. But it's not broken anywhere. Very nice piece. This car is nice. This whole car is nice. Let's keep going. So that's it. Nothing else. Lots of Subarus. Some the Forester there. Some other Toyota 4Runners. No old schools. Maybe one or two old Corollas, like 89s. One was 85 four-door sedan. So really nothing. But they always have a good selection of trucks. Pickup truck. This is T100 right here. I would not mind that one. TSX. So not a lot, but still a lot. Alright, so ending my day at the junk with 2 radio harnesses, a bunch of that dome light, a bunch of the plugs, and what do you call that? The cylinder locks, and everything was like 20 bucks. And the most important thing, boom, got my baby burrito. This is a special Cabeza, California. Damn, the best, yo. Let's get this down. When your fingers get tired from holding the burrito, you know it's the right size for you. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is the haul. These are all the plugs for the ECU right here. Some of them are, well, there's like 2 doubled up ones, but I just wanted to get a bunch of these pins in case I needed to repin them in a way that I could reuse that. So I'll just take them out, you know. Just pull this little plug right here up, that top piece, you pull that up, and then you're able to depin it. So all of these are the swap parts right here, ECU swap pins. D and E, a whole set, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, D, E, and another D and E over here. 2 OBD2 ports. This is the GS300 one, which is really nice. They all have this little cap here. Let me see if I can take that off. Damn, that was hard to do. Okay, so there's the cap port. I mean, the port comes with a long pigtail, which I probably could wire right into. I gotta check to see what these ports are. It might even be the ones I need. I don't know. So then I'll just wire this right into the ECU, which would be one of these E plugs, E and D and E plugs, and then another one just in case female port, just in case I need it. This beautiful black dome light. Look at that. Dang, that is like pristine. But I kinda like this lighter one because it matches the color of my headliner. Whatever. This is really hard to find ashtray. I know some of you guys probably have a bunch, but they're all the same. I needed one for a while now that's not broken. You see these two tabs here? These two are always broken, and this one's not broken. It's gonna sit in like that and just pop in. It's gonna be perfect. I've been looking for one for a while. Seat lever, brand new fuse. No, relay, brand new relay. This really cool inline fuse system. Just came off of a HID kit. I just cut it. And it has the fuse inline. Let's see if I can. Oh shit. What's that? Probably use that for something. And then these Toyota harnesses, these are for the newer Toyota. My dad has a GS300 and I think he needed this harness. Old school Toyota radio plugs. This is gonna go to my brother, and it comes with the actual radio harness itself to the stock. I think this was a Sony radio. But if anything, we'll just use these wires. We'll splice these into his system and use these wires for whatever system he has, so he can take them on and off. And these wires probably aren't the same as his, since his is an 85. This for sure is not the same, but we can get it to work. And this is just a, no, this is a Sony one. This is Pioneer, Pioneer. This is a Sony one. I got this to see if it'll fit my Panasonic, but it doesn't. Got those. A bunch of bolts. Bunch of window clips. Clips for the door handle. These awesome panel clips. Some of them have these. I was lazy. I just threw them in my bag. I didn't pay for these. This whole set of door locks from the FX. I want to know if I can actually take the internals out right here and put it into an 86 one. I'm going to do some research. If I could do that, I'll just throw this whole cylinder set into my Zinky coupe. And then I'll have the OEM key, the original key, and these cylinder locks. These will work. These two will work without modification. This is the trunk one. Trunk one is different. You see how it hides behind a trim, so it doesn't have the oval shape there, like this. Excuse me. So this whole set is one of my favorite things that I found because the key is perfect. And so that's it. That's my haul. This is actually the favorite thing I found today. Beautiful piece. That car had so many nice things, but I wasn't trying to buy it all, so that's it. Got my harnesses, which I wanted, and the OBD2 ports, OBD2 female port. This is gonna be perfect. Those are the two big things I was looking for, and I luckily found this, and this whole set, and that. It's perfect, but I'm not sure if I want to run it. Look how clean it is. It's like this car was garaged or something. But I don't think I'm gonna run it. I think I'm going to just maybe keep it for spare. I don't know. Maybe if I ever like paint my headliner, who knows. We'll cross that road when we get there. I'm just gonna organize it now. Put all of the pieces away and call it a day. I would say that's pretty successful. If you like that, please like, subscribe, tell your friends.